Welcome to Cooking with Jess, where we make you the hero in your kitchen by bringing the flavor and keeping it healthy. Because over here, we believe keeping it healthy doesn't mean you compromise on taste. To continue with our Detox tea series, today I bring to you an herb called mullein. This herb, super awesome. First of all, professional singers swear by this. The reason why is it helps to keep your lungs clear. It helps to rid this ENT area, the ear, nose, and throat area of mucus. It helps to control congestion. It does all the wonderful things. So especially around this time of year where it gets a little cold out and we have a lot of cooties and germs and whatnot all about. And if you do notice that you have like a stubborn cough or you have an increase in mucus, you want to get this tea into your tea arsenal. And the way how I make this is super simple. You see here, I have 3 items here, and really this is just a sweetener. So really it's just 2 ingredients that you use. What I did, I went ahead and I boiled some water with some canela. What is canela? Cinnamon. That's it. Nothing fancy, nothing schmancy about it. Just some good old canela and agua. Now, what I did, I'm gonna move that around. And again, it's not even anything fancy to show you. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit a little bit of this in my cup. I'll tell you why in a moment. In the meantime, this little fancy apparatus I have, one of my friends gifted this to me. He knows I'm a tea drinker and he saw this and he was like, Jess, I gotta get this for you. I've had this for years and years and years. So what I did was I went ahead and I just took a little pinch of the mullein, put it in there, which is the water with the canela already in it. And I just let it steep for about 2 to 4 minutes. Nothing major isn't really necessary. You don't have to go that far, but I just like to make sure we get all the benefits of this out of here. My kid loves to drink this, my big boy. He likes it because I think there's like a sweetness from the canela, and then there's a little bit of sweetness from the mullein as well. And then if I go ahead and add, I have agave here. I go ahead and I add a little bit of agave. It just adds a little bit more. Now it's not going to be overpowering sweet. It's just the slightest bit of sweetness from the canela. I like to measure, so we're going to use this cuchara right here. And I just went ahead and added an extra just because I wanted a little bit more in here. And boom, look at this. This is so cool. My kids love this, and I got to keep it away from them because you can only imagine. Anyhow, that's it. This, awesome. So make sure that you're drinking this. You can drink this on a daily basis. It's not going to do anything terrible. It's only going to bring happiness and smiles to your voice box, to clearing up any congestion. Wonderful. It's a little hot, so be careful. Again, I do this because I love you guys. It's so smooth going down. It's really, I know you may be a little concerned about what some of these things taste like. So go ahead and try it yourself and let us know what you think. Until next time, take care.